Bruh, welcome to Cooking with a Beach Bum. Today we're gonna make a bodacious breakfast smoothie. Super healthy, super tasty. This smoothie is super killer, super tasty, super healthy, and guess what? For all you keto fans out there, bros, I got you covered, dude. Listen, you can always add a few things or take a few things away, and I've got a recipe for you, so hold on to the end. So you might be wondering what's in a bodacious breakfast smoothie, right? So what we have here, we've got a little bit of raspberry, we've got grapes, we've got a little bit of blueberries, yummy, banana, and of course mango. What I love to add to this, because making a perfect smoothie, you need a little bit of extra sweetness. So what I recommend is this Bai Malaki coconut, super tasty. And then I add a little extra sweetness with some blue agave nectar. Now for all you keto fans out there who can't have this, you could always leave this out and it's still gonna taste just fine. But I like to kick it up a little bit more and make it a little bit more bodacious. What are the benefits of this smoothie? The health benefits are out of this world. You've got calcium, you've got vitamin A, B, C, magnesium, and overall, the taste and the feeling of it that you get in the morning, it'll start your day out just right. So let's get started with this bodacious breakfast smoothie. But first, a beer break. Yeah, I know, I drank a little bit in the morning. Don't judge. So let's get started. By the way, you don't have to have the fanciest of blenders. As you can see, I've got this 1970s beauty, this austerizer. She still does the job. Let's get started. First of all, what you're going to want to do, you're going to want to add the ice. Here I have got about a cup of ice. And you can always scale this up or down depending on how much you want to make. If you're making for a whole family, you might want to add a little bit more. So let's get started. Blueberries in. Raspberries in. Handful of grapes. A little bit of mango. And one whole banana. Now we need some liquid, obviously, right? Because if we grind this up, it's just going to be a puree of mess. So let's get it tasty with a little bit of this Bai coconut water. Now I usually add about a little half of a cup, I'd say. And then the same thing with this. Now this stuff is super potent. This is blue agave, so all you have to do is just add a little touch of it. A little squirt, good to go. Now, when I start pulsing this up, I always have my liquid on standby. If I don't have enough liquid in here, guess what? I can always add a little bit more. So let's get started. Let's make this smoothie. Look at that. Perfect consistency. Now if it's a little too thick, you can always add a little bit more water. If it's too thin, maybe you can add a little bit more fruit to it. Now if you want to be all professional, you can obviously pour it in this nice glass, but the way I like to do it, I hate doing dishes, so guess what? I just drink it right out of here. I carry this around with me wherever I go. That was so good. Bodacious. So I guess you're probably wondering what the show is all about. Now I know it seems kind of gimmicky, but guess what? It's just basically a day in my life. I'm going to show you what I like to cook, how I eat. I try to eat pretty clean. Yes, we all have our cheat days. This isn't some sort of fad show where you're on a strict diet. But if you eat clean and you eat whole foods, you're going to feel great. Please like and subscribe to my channel. We're gonna have a lot of fun, dudes. You're my bros. Let's have a lot of fun together and hang out. And guess what? I'm gonna show you a lot of great recipes. I like to grill. I've got a great chicken wing recipe. I've got ribs. I do some really good salads, fish, chicken, pretty much you name it. Check out my show. Stay tuned. Thanks. Until next time, bros. I'll see ya.